Hey, welcome back. I want to share with you something so cool that just happened. So I got a package in the mail and it said from doTERRA, but it wasn't a box like normal. It was like this flat envelope. I was like, oh, I wonder what's in there. So I opened it and I was super excited to see what a kind and loving gift doTERRA sent to me. And there's a specific reason why they sent it. And I'm going to share with you what that is and how you can get involved if you want to. So what they sent me first is this. These are a set of coasters. They're felt. And I believe they are handmade. I hadn't unwrapped them because I wanted to show you how cute they are. Aren't they adorable? And they had this little, what is this? It's like a leather string, a leather rope on it. I'm breaking it, trying to get it off. But I guess it's just the wrapping. So it's all good. Okay, so I'll show you what they look like. Cute twine. There's a little card here. And it shows the women who hand make these. It says on the back, doTERRA Healing Hands. There you go. It says this felt coaster set was handmade by an expert craftswoman in Nepal using ethnically sourced wool with training and fair wages and a safe work environment. These women are enabled to provide proper nutrition and education for their families, breaking generational cycles of poverty. Thank you for your continued support through the 25 Collective. Your donation makes impact projects in sourcing areas like Nepal possible. So it said the 25 Collective. That's what I'm going to talk to you guys about in just a second. I'll show you what else is in the package. So there's 4 of these little coasters. Aren't they cute? I love them. And since they're made of felt, you can actually use them as a diffuser, which I'm super excited. So this bottle, this is Citrus Twist. I have it here by my desk. So you can just take your oil and you can put it on the coaster. And it works like as a passive diffuser. It'll just absorb in. And it'll work as like passive diffuser. So you could stick them in, you can use them for a coaster, of course, or you could put them like in your drawer or something like that, where it would just help your drawer stay fresh, or your shoe closet. Maybe it smells a little like shoes, you know, it could be used for all different things, but I'm going to keep mine here. And I have my little portable diffuser that sits on my desk. And I think that's a perfect a little spot for that, or I might use it for a water bottle. We'll see. But I love it. And I love the fact that it is made ethnically sourced and it's done by people where what their efforts are going forward to help break generational cycles of poverty. And that's what the Healing Hands Foundation does. Okay, so let me show you what else is in here. And then, so this one, they sent me some little 25 Collective socks, which look like high quality, like everything else doTERRA makes. Cute socks. They say 25 Collective on them. A little doTERRA sign on the other side. So there we go. Cute socks. And then they sent me a 2025 calendar. And this is from doTERRA Healing Hands. And within it, each of the pages, I haven't opened it yet. So here we go. We're going to look together. So that's cool. So this talks about the different projects. So this is Project Clean Water. It works with the oil of wintergreen from Nepal. And it says an estimated social impact of the projects in Nepal is more than $244,000. Community impact projects, more than 60. And then it talks a little bit about the project. So because the difficult topography and frequent natural disasters makes clean water hard to come by for people in Nepal, where doTERRA sources wintergreen. Working with an on-the-ground partner, doTERRA Healing Hands funded a clean water system for up to 1,000 families. So that's super cool. So that's April. This one talks about children's hospitals in Bulgaria. What else we got here? We have a welcome. Thank you for the calendar. A health clinic in Madagascar. We have empowering women in India. Over 390,000 women helped there. Clean water, schools. This one is youth tours. Over 740 people helped in Hawaii. And this is scholarships, more than 20,000 lives touched by vetiver in Haiti. Anyways, there's so many cool projects that the Healing Hands Foundation does. This is one of the key reasons why I love doTERRA so much. I love the heart. I love the mission. I love that they're lifting people on every side of the bottle. So the farmers and the communities where the oils are coming from are blessed. Every person in that area is blessed. And then it's blessing the people who are doing the work to bring it over here and to distill it. And then we get these cute little bottles and they bless our lives and our health here. So I love that so much. So let me tell you what the 25 Collective is, because it came out a couple years ago and I've been doing it ever since and I love it. So with the Healing Hands Foundation, that's doTERRA's charity arm, and we have the ability to make these impacts all around the world. And it's the coolest thing. And so they had a little button where you could like donate $1, you could add $5, you could add $10, whatever you want to your order each month. And that would allow that money to go and to help people. 100% of your donations go to the Healing Hands Foundation to help people all around the world. And it's really cool. So a couple of years ago, they launched the 25 Collective. And that is a group of customers, wholesale customers, wellness advocates, people who love doTERRA and purchase doTERRA, and our commitment to donate $25 a month to the Healing Hands Foundation. So we just put it on a reoccurring, it goes on our order, no big deal. It makes it super easy way to donate. It's all tax deductible, all things. But in that, you're part of the 25 Collective. So every month we have a call, and you can talk to the growers, you talk to some of the sourcing people and people who are on the ground in these countries, and they talk about the challenges they're facing and the things that they're seeing and the miracles that are unfolding and the ways that it's working. And then every convention, after it's been 12 months of your donation, you get invited to a special reception at convention. And I wasn't able to go this year because my daughter was getting ready for her mission, and that was like an essential day I needed to be home. So I didn't get to go. So they sent the cute package of these gifts, and they sent them to my house because I couldn't be there to pick them up in person. And I just love the heart of doTERRA, how they care about the person individually, one by one. They care about us and whether or not I made it to the reception to say thank you for donating. And they sent the gifts to me, and they care about the people on the ground. I know that I was in a really rough situation a while ago where I was having some loss in my family and some sadness. And I got a package from doTERRA saying, I'm really sorry, like my heart is with you, and some oils that would help with comfort and things. It was just so kind. And I love the heart of doTERRA behind all of it. So I invite you guys to join the 25 Collective. If you're brand new and you need a doTERRA account, check in the description for a link where you can save extra when you sign up for free. And I'll put a link for the 25 Collective there as well. Actually, let me hop in the screen share and I'll show you really quick. So when you go into doTERRA.com, or I'll send you the link. So use my link, so make sure it has my name on it. And then it would look like this when you get there. Probably look something like this. It had to log me out. Okay, so it goes like this, and you can save 25% if you're brand new and you're looking to start your account with doTERRA. And then if you put in here 25 Collective, this little thing pops up right here. And it says 25 Collective donation. So it explains that this is what it's for. You can add this to your cart, and it will automatically add that onto your order of whatever it is that you're purchasing. So I love that. And I just keep that in there, and that allows me to make a difference in a way while I'm going about doing all the busy things that I do with family life. It also makes a difference. And you can go up here to shop as well. And under, let me see which one's under healing collections. No, maybe. Let's see. Let's see if I can just type in healing hands. There you go. You can type in healing hands. This Hope Touch benefits healing hands. You can do any donations of any amount. There is a lotion, a rose lotion. Is it still available? Let's see. Not currently. I don't know why I'm not seeing it right now. You can go here to see healing hands too. And this will talk all about healing hands and all the different things and the ways that you get involved. There's some ways. So these 100% of the proceeds of Rose Lotion and of Hope Touch will also go to healing hands. There's also, what was it called? The 72-hour emergency relief kit. So this is also a way that you can give and you can help. You pay the $25 and they will actually give this entire kit of emergency supplies, and they go out in truckloads when there's a natural disaster to help people in our areas as well as around the world. So that's really cool. And it's a donation item that will not be shipped to you. It goes to the people who need it around the world. So there's so many ways that you can get involved with doTERRA, with Healing Hands, with co-impact sourcing, with all the things that we do. So thank you for being part of doTERRA. If you're part of doTERRA, thank you for purchasing the oils and the products that help your family with your health and changing lives around the world at the same time. And if you're new and you need support, I'm happy to be your support person. Go check down in the comments and you'll have a link where you can sign up, get your free account, and donate for Healing Hands if you're interested. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you later. Oh, there we go. I should have done it here. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here. And I hope that you will consider joining the 25 Collective, checking out Healing Hands, making a donation. If you need a new account, feel free to check for the link down in the comments, and I will give you a link where you can get your account for free, save 25% on doTERRA, get a bunch of free gifts, and have the option to help with Healing Hands as well. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.